This is my background layer and this is my text layer. Then I'm going to effects and searching here transform and adding this transform effect to my text clip. After selecting the text clip, going to effect controls, and here under transform effect we can see scale. Before doing anything here, make sure to put this playhead at the 0 seconds of your clip and enable toggle animation for scale and give the value here 75%, and then move your playhead 3 frames. You can use this right arrow key for 3 times, 1 2 3, and then give the value here 120%, and again move your playhead 3 frame, 1 2 3, and now give value here 100%. Now uncheck this option and shutter angle give here 360, and after that I'm just decreasing this text layer length to 2 seconds only, and then holding the Alt key and making duplicate of this text clip for 3 times, and now selecting the first text clip and going to effect control and right clicking on transform and copying this transform effect. Then I'm selecting these 2 text clips and pressing Ctrl V to paste transform effect. Now let's play our timeline, and here as you can see I've created text pop-up animation.